I'm out of fuel.
He's out of fuel.
I'm out of fuel. I'm out of fuel. Yeah. I think they're coming up. I'm out of fuel. I just ran over that jump and came down here and then I ran out. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis.
That's enough?
What?
That's enough to get you down to my dad? I think that's enough.
Let's check it out. That might be enough.
There you go.
I'm out of fuel. I've got to get someone to hold it for me to start it. No, let me just put the fuel tank on.
Wait for me. Lawson, screw the cap on.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Other way, you silly.
No, it's this way. I unscrewed it that way. Now I'm tightening it. But it tightened before.
You're taking so long. I could have a nap. Batman's already having one.
Oh,
My dad's just watching us.
3 hours later.
Oh no.
3 hours later.
3 hours later, Lawson's finally done doing his cat.
No, I'm just going to leave that out and get one of the adult.
Jump on it.
Grab, hold it from the front.
Oh, you need to hold it.
Try,
I need my fully weight on this bike. Okay?
You start.
Grab, you know how to start it. You start.
Hop off.
No, I know how to
Hop
start it.
off.
Fine, you start it.